slept on, no Tempur-Pedic, but that's why I gotta dream it. Got a vision, now they see it. But it ain't gon' slide. I put this rapping on my life. I put this rapping with my dogs, no pedals. Don't care what them hoes say, no Quavo. You say you really out here, but you ain't even there though. And I ain't talk about Robert when I say I need De Niro, Man, I'm talking.
What is going on, guys? So today's video is going to be pretty simple and straightforward. We have some LEDs to install into her CP2, which is 2008 Honda Accord. Should be pretty straightforward. If I have any time, I'll probably go over the good old the good old CD5 over here one more time, since we didn't have much time with it the other day. And yeah, see what else we do. Now here are the LED lights I did buy, which they were cheap as hell, so it's not aux beam or nothing. Aux beam, if you ever see my video, please send me a pair if you want. But these do the job. I think they're about like 16 or 17 bucks on Amazon. Nothing fancy, basic LEDs. I already put them in the high beam location, but it turns out she don't like the high beams because she can't really see that good at night like that. So we're gonna just probably end up switching the high beams back to regular and have the low beam be the LEDs. So for these Accords, you can't get to the outside one inside the engine bay. So what you gotta do is you gotta peel back this plastic and just stick your hand up in there and pull the bulb out, which I can't do with holding the camera, but yeah, I'll get this bulb out right quick. Okay, so I got one in. Damn, automatic shit then cut off. Hold on. Man, stay here, brother. Okay, so I got one in on this side. The one on this side is blowed, so that ain't gonna burn no way. But it had started raining a while ago, so I had to pause for a minute. Hopefully it'll hold off long enough. I'm telling you, here lately, man, all we've been getting is just rain after rain. Look at the puddles of water back here. So we got both of those stowed in. Didn't take but a second, which I'm glad of that, because usually it takes longer messing with these newer cars. But yeah, let's look at the CD5 one more time. Here she is. Won't be any major upgrades done to it right now. I do know that I'm pretty sure this side needs a wheel bearing, so I'm gonna probably order those today. Get two, one for this side, one for the other side, just so a little peace of mind. But it's making a little bit of a squeaky noise when you like turn and stuff. When you go straight, it's alright, but when you go to turn, it's like making like a yee kind of squeaking sound. And I'm pretty sure it's a wheel bearing. Could be just brakes, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, because they're not that expensive to buy. And probably going to get lower ball joints, just because I don't want that shit happening where your tire break off and your shit be looking hella cambered. So yeah, probably just going to order me some lower ball joints and those wheel hubs, like with the whole assembly, just like I did with my blue car. Just put the whole thing on. Probably not gonna drop it right now, just cause well, it rides so good like it is. But yeah, I think it's like another storm about to come through, so I don't know what else we're gonna do in this video. It's probably gonna be short as hell, but you know, I don't know. I don't want to do no major projects in this weather. Little update, since I know everybody's hype about the wagon with the F20B in it. The computer should be in by Friday. The header should be in by, like, I want to say tomorrow or Thursday, so we should be on track to getting that tuned by next week. So that'll be good. Something I was considering doing, I may try to get the silver CG back up here. Hopefully Saturday. All this fucking rain. But hopefully Saturday I can get the silver CG back up here. And if so, I may try to go on and start pulling that engine out. If I can get it up here. I don't know, because I still don't have any lights. So that's something I probably should be ordering. Really shouldn't be ordering the stuff for the blue car right now. I should be getting the wiring for this. But I don't know. I really want to get this really drivable, because I have been driving it the last 2 days, and I know I need lights for the building just because I got to start working in there. So I don't know. Old square body just chilling, waiting to be swapped. Coming real soon though. Okay, so we're gonna be doing away with the HIDs in this as well, putting some LED eBay specials in here. Good thing with these older cars is you got plenty of space to get to what you need to get to. So let me get these pulled out, swapped over, and see how they look. Battery done died on this so many times, I don't know. I just drive it around a little bit trying to charge it up some. But I did get the LEDs installed on this too, so I'll show you guys those once I get back to the house. Whole thing ride pretty good though, man. So I got both sets of LEDs in both cars. I think that's where we're gonna end this video. Like I said, I know it's probably pretty quick, but it is what it is. Got a little something done today. Hope y'all enjoyed. As always, guys, remember, like, share, subscribe, and respect all videos. Peace out.